In this presentation, we will look at the structure and jurisdiction of the criminal courts in England and Wales. Magistrates Courts. A magistrates court is made up of either 3 lay magistrates, known as justices, or full-time district judges. The former are not legally qualified and will therefore be advised on points of law, practice, or procedure by a legally qualified or experienced county clerk. District judges, on the other hand, are properly qualified and sit as full or part-time judges. Magistrates' courts usually only hear cases that arise in their own area. They deal with criminal offences where the defendant is not entitled to trial by jury. The magistrates' courts also deal with offences that are triable either way, where the defendant can choose trial by jury but decide to have their case heard in the magistrates' courts. If the defendant chooses trial by jury, the case will be passed on to the Crown Court, as will be discussed later. Crown Court. The Crown Court deals with the most serious types of criminal offences that will be tried by judge and jury, appeals from the magistrates' courts dealt with by a judge and at least 2 magistrates, and convictions in the magistrates' courts that are referred to the Crown Court for sentencing. Imprisonment and fines in the Crown Court are more severe than in the magistrates' courts.